There's something magical about watching an open flame cooking right in front of your eyes, and you can see the sparks of the fire. My name is Ibby Moubadder, and I'm the owner of Henrietta Chicken in Surry Hills. Charcoal chicken in Lebanon is like the local cafes here. That's what you have with your family. You all sit around the table, you get some charcoal chicken, you get your Lebanese bread, you get your garlic sauce, and then you put harissa, and then you just eat charcoal chicken with the family. The chook itself, we're going to brine it to add more flavor, more seasoning. As we're cooking the chook, we're going to make harissa sauce that we're also going to use charcoal to cook the chilies over. And then on the side, we're going to serve it with a beautiful fresh summer salad. In Arabic, we call it fattoush, which will go really well with the chook, especially during these summer days. The hub to ever do a barbecue simplifies cooking over charcoal. You don't have to light the coal, the barbecue does it itself for you, which is pretty genius. The charcoal needs to have some flavor or aroma. You can adjust the height of the rotisserie of the barbecue itself so you don't burn the protein before it cooks. So it's very important to get that right balance between crispy skin and cooked chicken inside. Anything you cook over charcoal just tastes that little bit better. That smoky flavor that the charcoal brings to any food, whether it's a chicken or a meat of any kind. It's definitely more exciting and more interesting when you invite guests over to your house and you're cooking over open fire or open flame. I mean, everybody loves a barbecue, but when it's cooking over charcoal, it's beautiful.